Page 117, number 35 and 37. For number 35, we are asked to choose which ordered pairs, could be more than one, of 1, 1, 4, -2, and 3, -1 are in the relation given by 3x plus 4y equals 5. So all we have to do is just substitute each of those ordered pairs and determine which ones allow the equation or the relation to be equal on both sides. So for the first one, 1, 1, I'm going to do 3 times 1 plus 4 times 1. And I want to know, does that equal 5? And the answer to that is, of course, no. So it's not that one. And then if I test for -2, is 4 times 3 plus 4 times -2 equal to 5. So now I have 12 minus 8, which is 4. 4 is not equal to 5, so it's not that one. And then finally I have 3, -1. So when I substitute, I get 3 times 3 plus 4 times -1. And so I get 9 minus 4, which is 5. That is correct. So the only ordered pair that is in the relation would be 3, -1. Now, for the second one, we are asked to find two functions defined implicitly by the given relation. And the reason why it's called implicitly defined is because our equation is not solved for y. So that is what we need to do. And in doing so, we should have two different equations that define this relation. So I am going to subtract x squared from both sides. That leaves me with y squared equals 25 minus x squared. Now I need to take the square root of both sides to get y by itself. So I get y is equal to plus or minus the square root of 25 minus x squared. So that's as simplified as I can make it, and I can see I now have two different functions that will define that circle. The top half of the circle is defined by y equals the positive square root of 25 minus x squared, and the bottom half of the circle is going to be defined with y equals negative the square root of 25 minus x squared. So those are two different functions that define the given relation.